Now next, I've shown you the complete air fry cookbook. So what about our follow-up cookbook, Air Fryer Easy Every Day? Obviously, we've not repeated recipes between them. So if you have got both, it's a brilliant opportunity to try out some different ones in the air fryer. So what would I recommend as far as the air fryer is concerned at Christmas using this cookbook? Well, we have a meal prep chapter. And this is brilliant because at Christmas time, people get so stressed out and they don't know where to start or what to do. Well, in our Sunday routine, we have potatoes and carrots. So they're brilliant if you just want to get ahead, and you can do your potatoes and carrots, and you can use this as inspiration for other vegetables you're having for Christmas. And then when you're there starving in the kitchen because you're doing all that Christmas Eve prep, don't forget to make yourself some curried veggie peelings. And then blend your leftovers that you've got that you've not used up. And then you've got a freezer sauce that you can then use beyond Christmas. And then what other beauties have I got that I'm thinking? This spells out Christmas. So this barbecue shredded chicken wraps, it's been converted to turkey for a few different magazine publications recently, because you can use chicken or turkey, and it's brilliant to use up your turkey with. They taste amazing. And then we've got our pantry chapter. And in here, we've got a lot of store favourites. So this is brilliant for saving money at Christmas. And then our Hawaiian chicken salad is delicious, and you can make that with some of your turkey leftovers. Or turkey's in season, so you get a brilliant price on it at the moment. And then in our air fry oven chapter, why not do our honey mustard gammon? We've done this a few times for our Christmas meat, and it's delicious. Or go Brazilian and do a Brazilian barbecue beef. You've got rotisserie chicken here, pork shoulder, and so many other ideas. And then in the poultry chapter, we've got a poussin, or as they call them in the US, a game hen, and they're brilliant to cook in the air fryer as well. And then what else have we got? Apricot chicken dinner for two. This is a brilliant, more Mediterranean option that's perfect for two if you want a fuss-free idea for Christmas. And the best of the bunch, turkey dinner for one. Perfect Christmas dinner size for one person if there's just you at Christmas. And we use the trick of swapping a traditional turkey for a turkey steak, and it all comes together perfectly. And then in the meat chapter, if your Christmas is more like dinner party style, then we've got a beef Wellington here for you. And then what else we got? Then we're heading into the fish chapter. The marinated salmon is brilliant for a starter at Christmas. Or if you don't eat meat at all, this is a brilliant one with haddocks and baby potatoes and green beans. And this is our seafood crumble pots. They've featured in quite a lot of magazines for this Christmas. And they make a brilliant Christmas Day starter. So you're mixing up seafood with some Boursin cheese and then adding a savoury crumble on top. So it's a really easy recipe to recreate at home. And then into vegetarian and vegan, we've got this beautiful creamy root vegetable soup. And what is great about this is it makes a brilliant starter for Christmas. Or post-Christmas, you've got loads of those root vegetables left over, then make this. Same for the curry. You could swap the sweet potato or chickpea for some turkey to use up those leftovers. And then into the potato chapter, we have some Hasselback potatoes. Brilliant Christmas side dish. We've got a few different ways to cook baby potatoes, so that can change things up a bit. And then these were also inspired by Christmas, and these can be made ahead. And it's quick cook Sunday vegetables. So you've got all the usual ones you would have at Christmas. So you've got potatoes, carrots, parsnip, and Brussels sprouts. Cauliflower cheese, because yes, you can make a cauliflower cheese in the air fryer. And then next on the list, what else have we got? Butternut squash is brilliant, and what I do is I make butternut squash, blend it, and then you can use it for sauces such as a hidden veggie cheese sauce this Christmas if you're on a diet. There's also instructions here for butternut squash mash. And then in our 7-day of dinners, the Make Ahead Monday pie is brilliant for your leftovers if you wanted to make a leftover turkey pie. And then I love this idea for Christmas Eve. It's a Mediterranean Greek style tapas dish. And what you can do is you can cook the veg, you can cook the meatballs, and then you can serve it with your normal hummus and some chickpeas and whatnot, and it's lovely. And then if you're fancying something simple, some toad in the hole is amazing. And then, of course, we have a lamb roast. You can do boneless or bone-in depending on the size of your air fryer with carrots, potatoes and peas, and it's just perfect. And then in the baking chapter, I have to give credit to this flatbread. It's brilliant because what you can do is you can serve it up as turkey, lettuce and tomato sandwiches, as just something fun to use up your leftovers with. You've got bagels here that you can have for Christmas, and you've just got so many ideas. I mean, I always have homemade sausage rolls at Christmas time, and these just look fantastic. And that gives you some great ideas of what you can cook at Christmas time. And of course, if you're looking for a dessert, cheesecake in the air fryer is brilliant. This is an Oreos version, but what you could do instead is you can decorate the top of it with some of your Christmas chocolate leftovers. The kids would absolutely love that. And aren't there some fantastic ideas of what you can do this Christmas using the air fryer, using Air Fryer Easy every day? So grab your copy of it, or if you haven't got a copy yet, search Air Fryer Salmon Dome and we can have it in your kitchen for Christmas, and it can really, really help you cooking Christmas dinner, taking the stress out of Christmas. It's just perfect.